The easiest way to create articles, public domain. There are many webmasters that find writing articles for their site to be a very tedious task. Many people who need to write articles also procrastinate as much as they can to delay the amount of writing they need to do. Many people dread writing articles because they find researching for the topic and writing down original materials will be too taxing on them. You need to have your creative juices flowing, and simply downloading an article would be plagiarism or tantamount to stealing, not exactly. Have you ever heard about public domain? These are articles written down by many authors that have declared their works to be public domain, which means anybody can use it for whatever purpose they want. While most authors would prefer to copyright their work for their rights, there are also a number who doesn't mind sharing their work. Public domain articles are not owned by anybody and can be used and abused by anyone. The writers have waived their rights to their works, and it is out there for the public to make use of. You can use public domain articles in helping you write your articles. With the public domain articles, you can simply edit them to your own style and rewrite them as you please to make it suitable for your needs. All the ideas are there already, and it's just a matter of finding the right article with the topic or subject you need. This is probably the easiest way to write articles. You don't need to scour around the library or the internet for hours for information and start an article from scratch. For webmasters who are looking for articles to fill their site and to generate a high ranking for their website in search engine results, they can just modify the article by infusing keywords and keyword phrases related to their site. A webmaster or website operator do not risk any chance of getting sued for copyright infringement because they are public domain, once again meaning that anybody can use it. Writing articles by using public domain won't require as much work as writing one from scratch would. You save a lot of time also. One good factor in using public domain articles for your site or for any project is that you save a lot of money. You dismiss the need to hire experienced and seasoned writers that some website operators use to write their articles. While a single 500-worded article would only set you down $10 to $15, this cost will drastically increase, and you need hundreds of articles to fill the needs of your site. For those who needs articles to generate newsletters or an e-zine, public domain articles will be very beneficial. You do not need to count on your contributors or pay writers to write down articles for your newsletter or e-zine. You can fill all the pages without any cost or the worry of being sued and sought after by the writers. You can simply copy the articles and place them on your newsletter and e-zine. Public domain articles are a virtual untapped resource that many people fail to realize the true value. The power of articles, keywords and keyword phrases have been deemed invaluable these past few years for many internet-based businesses and sites that want to rank high in search engine results. The number of article and content writers have grown significantly due to the rise in the demand for articles. As newer and newer topics and subjects have arisen, there are many demands for new articles to be written. An industry has been formed, and this is a worldwide demand. Public domain articles have given a great alternative for those who are cash-strapped as well as do not have the time or the skills to do their articles for themselves. Searching for public domain articles is as easy as 1 to 2, 3. You can search for them in search engines and do searches in many directories for the topic or subject that you need. Read them and simply copy-paste them to a word processing program and simply edit them to suit your needs.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.